my fields.
Okay, so can you grab 4 cups for me? 4 of the different coloured cups. Here we go. Now we put them all next to each other. Very good. So we've got our 4 different cups. Okay, now we have a bowl of sugar, and we are going to put 1 spoon in the first cup.
Yes.
We're going to put 2 spoons in the second cup. How many are we going to put in the third cup?
3.
And how many in the fourth?
4.
Okay, here we go.
I need to try.
Yeah, this is your job. All right, so in the first one, don't spill. Okay, how many in the second cup?
2.
And 2. All right, so what we now need is to put 60 ml into each one. So I'm going to give this to you, and can you pour it into each one for me?
Okay, so that's 1.
Yeah, this is 60 ml right to the top. So that goes into the first cup. Very good, well done. So let's get our teaspoons.
I can't see it so well, but I can see a little bit.
Very good, start stirring. Now we want to hold the cup with one hand to keep it secure. You want to keep stirring. Now you tell me when it starts to go clear.
Now it's clear. Clear.
Very good. Put these down. Now to recap, how many spoons of sugar do we have in this one?
What?
How many spoons
1,
of sugar in this one?
2,
This
3,
one? And this one.
4.
Alright, so what we want to do is we want to put a different colour in each one. So I think we should do in the first one, this is the colours that are going to go in red.
Okay.
Okay? Yellow.
Yep.
And the third one,
Green.
and then in the last one, blue. Okay, so what we want to do is,
Tip it.
now you want to squeeze maybe 3 or 4 drops in.
Okay. 1.
That's good, that's perfect. So what are our 4 colours, William?
It's red, yellow, green, and blue.
Alright, so what we know is that these are different densities because they have different amounts of sugar in them. You can't tell because it's all liquid right now, but which one has the most amount of sugar in it?
Blue.
Okay, so blue would be the most dense of the 4. Which one has the least amount of sugar in it?
Red.
Red, because red only has 1 spoon of sugar in it. So we're going to do an experiment to see what happens when we put these 4 colours on top of each other. We're going to start with the most dense colour, which is blue.
Yeah, on the
Then
green
we're going
one.
to go to green. Then we're going to go to yellow.
Yellow.
Then we're going to go to red.
Red.
And we're going to see what happens. We haven't done this before, so it's an experiment.
Okay.
Here we go. Are you ready
Yeah.
to watch?
Hmm.
Here we go. We are going to start with blue. Now we go nice and slow. So remember, this is our densest one. This one is the one that has 4 spoons of sugar in it. So even though it looks like liquid, it's actually a lot denser than the other colours. Now we can do this process a little bit faster because this is our first colour. Are you ready for the next colour?
Yeah.
So our next colour is, let's see, what's our next colour? What's our next colour, Donna?
Green.
All right, now to do the second one, what we do is we point our syringe to this very side of the glass.
What's
and
it
watch
gonna
what
make?
happens. I don't know, I guess we'll see. It's an experiment. So this one we go very slowly. We go very, very slowly.
Why?
Because we want to see what happens.
It's making green and blue.
Yeah. Step back a little bit. We've got to be very patient. We've got to go very slowly.
Oh.
Now, can you start to see what's happening? Is the green on its own layer?
The green is on the top.
Exactly, because they are different densities. Now again, we go nice and slow,
Why?
because if we go too fast, they could potentially mix together.
Yeah, then what happens?
Oh, the experiment doesn't work very well, does it?
But what do it look like?
And when you're a scientist, you have to be a very patient person, and you have to take your time and follow the proper process. Even though it takes a little bit more time, it's worth it in the end, isn't it? To get it right. Here we go. Let's have another look at what's happened. Oh, look at those two different layers. That looks so cool.
Let's try
All right, our next layer
orange.
is orange. That's right, or yellow.
Yes,
All right,
yellow.
here we go. Are you ready, Mr. William? Now this will be interesting because this is quite a different colour than green, isn't it?
Yeah.
Again, do we go nice and slow?
Yeah.
This will be interesting to see what happens because this one is not as dense as the green one. This one only has 2 scoops of sugar in it. So we will see.
It's going to be a little yellow. It's not so much yellow.
It's all right. We're getting there.
Ooh, it's a little bit yellow.
Yeah, we're getting there. It's all right.
I'm saying
Yeah, good. Interesting, isn't it? We'll keep going.
It's going to go.
That's right. We might do 3 syringes for this one so we can really see the difference. And this is all experiments. Sometimes experiments work and sometimes they don't.
But this one is really, really working.
Let's have a look. Oh, I can see a definite layer. I can definitely see a layer there. I think we're going to put 4, what do you reckon about 4 syringes? So we can really see the yellow separate from the green. Can you start to see the difference between the yellow and the green in there?
What's it going to look like?
I'm not sure. But can you see the blue and the green are separate still? They're
Blue and green?
See the blue and the green are still separate?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, does it look so good?
The yellow, if you go, put your eyes down here. Put your eyes down at the bench. Now can you see the yellow separate?
Yes.
All right. Last layer, what's our last layer?
Red.
That's our least dense layer.
Ooh.
Here we go. Are you ready? Now this one only has 1 spoon of sugar.
Whoa.
Now the way to look
It's turning, the other one is orange and the red one is on the other side.
Yeah. So the best way to look at it is down at eye level with your eyes down at the bench.
I can't see yellow.
Oh.
When you turn it the other way, I can see it.
Yeah? Let's have a look so far. Alright, so as you can see, all of the different colours have remained completely separate, and that's how we can tell what the different densities are. We use colours, sometimes in science, to show what the differences are between the properties of things. So blue is the most dense, and red is the least dense, and we use the colours to see that difference. Do you think this has been a successful experiment?
Yes, let's put something in it.
You want to put a spoon in and see what happens?
Yes.
Okay, grab one of the teaspoons. Now what I think is going to happen is that all the sugar's just going to get mixed together. But you can try it and have a look what happens. Now take it out.
Black.
Now what's happened is we've mixed all the sugar together with all the water.
Now it's black. It's a little bit black.
And that is the end of our experiment.
And when you put sand in, it gets a little bit black. Let's try again. What? It makes it yellow a little bit. When you mix it, it makes different colours.
All right.
It's still yellow.
Thank you for watching our experiment about density.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye. For fields.